Want to make a slow motion TikTok video? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Slomo feature on TikTok. Now let's get started. To begin, open TikTok and start creating a video as you normally would, either by recording it within the app or uploading a video from your device. Then tap Effects. In the menu at the bottom, select Time. Tap Slow Motion to apply the effect. You'll see a green marker appear on your video timeline. Drag this to the part of your video where you'd like the slow motion effect to start. Tap the play button to preview your video with the effect. When you're happy with the timing, tap Save in the top right corner. After that, you can add filters and text if you like, and post your TikTok as usual. That's all it takes to use the slow motion feature on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.